Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall virtual machine software VirtualBox, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall VirtualBox, begin by closing any running virtual machines. Next, exit the VirtualBox application completely. On a Windows system, go to the Start menu. Click on Settings, then select Apps. In the Apps and Features section, scroll down to find VirtualBox. Click on VirtualBox and then select the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to complete the process. For macOS users, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the VirtualBox icon. Drag the VirtualBox icon to the trash. Afterward, you can empty the trash to permanently remove it. If you are on a Linux system, open a terminal window. Type in the command sudo apt-get remove VirtualBox for Ubuntu or Debian systems. Press Enter and confirm the action when prompted. Alternatively, for Red Hat-based systems, use sudo dnf remove VirtualBox instead. Confirm the uninstallation by entering your password if requested. After the removal completes, you may also want to delete the configuration files. Check your home directory for any .virtualbox folder and delete it if it exists. Once all steps are completed, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. You have successfully uninstalled VirtualBox from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.